In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon affiliate links to Linktree. This is a really useful skill if you're sharing products with your audience on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and you want one simple place where people can find and click your Amazon affiliate links. First, open your browser and go to your Linktree admin page. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, the one you actually use on your social profiles. Once you're in the admin, you should see the area where you manage all your existing links. On this page, look for the button that lets you create something new. It will usually say Add or have a similar label. Go ahead and click that. This is how you start adding any new content, including affiliate products. After you click Add, you'll see a few options for what you can create. Choose the option labeled Link. This tells Linktree that you're adding a new link that people can tap on from your profile. Next, you'll see a search bar for different types of links and integrations. Click into that search bar and type the word Amazon. Linktree will filter the available options for anything related to Amazon, so you don't have to scroll around looking for it. From the search results, find and click on affiliate products. This is important because it tells Linktree that this link is an affiliate product, not just a regular URL. Using the affiliate product option can help with tracking and gives you a more streamlined setup. Now you'll see a field where you can add your product link. Go to your Amazon Associates account, copy the affiliate URL for the product you want to promote, and then come back to Linktree. In that field, either type in the link or paste it directly. Double check that you're using your affiliate link, not just the regular Amazon product page, so you earn commissions correctly. Once you paste the link, Linktree will search for that product. When you see your product appear in the results, click on the plus icon to add it. This confirms that this is the exact item you want to feature. After you click the plus icon, the product will be added to your list of links. Linktree will automatically use the product name as the title of the link. You can leave it as is, or later you can customize the wording to make it more appealing or clearer for your audience. And that's it. Your Amazon affiliate product is now live on your Linktree, ready for your followers to click.